This is a 2019 30,000 mile, well dressed out, self-cleaning steps on the fuel tank, into the cab, grab handle, DEF tank, bright finish, 24 inches of deck, air slide fifth wheel, position centered over the rear tandem axles, air ride suspension. Tires are incredibly deep, front and back. 22.5 inch rubber, HDL2 Eco tires. Good fuel efficiency, hardly a scratch on the ramps. You have aluminums on the exterior and the interior. Bright finish on your hubs as well as your lugs. Bright finish on your quarter fenders. This is dual 70-gallon fuel tanks. Exhaust system up underneath the passenger side. It is a bright finish as well on that exterior. Looking up underneath here, air dryer in between the frame rails. Very clean undermount on the cab suspension. A26 6-cylinder engine. Front tires are 11R 22.5 inch rubber. They're the HS3 Eco Plus HS3 on the front. On the front, on the sides, on the tires, brilliant look. This is a 2021 day cab tractor. No air shield on top. Does have bright finish on the exhaust muffler and bright finish as an exterior sun visor too. Let's take a look at our interior. As you open the door, cup holder, 1, 2, 3 lumbar support, outer of the side, vignettes of the seat bottom and seat back, air ride baffled bottom. We have the battery on off to, of course, mitigate any kind of drainage, and operable on the clean out. Was just noticing that the battery box is also a bright finish, so quite a bit of bling. Quite a bit of bling on this particular truck. Block heater on the side, high contrast multi-informational display. Our door features the power locks, power windows, heated power mirrors. To the left of the steering column is the lamp check and the work lamp. It does have the automatic headlamp and control for your rheostats. To the left of the steering column is our wiper control and headlamp bright dim. To the right of the steering column is our transmission selector and our engine brake 1, 2, 3 position. Hands-free phone control to the right, cruise control to the left, marker interrupts for the front. Take a look at the dash, power point, 12-volt power point, media center, power divider lockout, differential lockout, traction control, suspension dump, fifth wheel, slide, heated mirrors, parked regeneration, and this one is a thermostatic control temperature interior. Set the temperature you want and it will take care of adjusting the heat and cold. Lane departure on off, another power point, 12 volt, another power point, 12 volt, 2 big gulp cup centers, your wallet storage, and above we have the netted storage for both the driver and passenger. We feature 2 sun visors, one for the door, one for the width, so you have excellent sunblock protection. We know that we can connect with our satellite and do our programming from the sky because our satellite is connected. Downward facing mirrors, again, very good convex, very good West Coast mirror on the driver's side and passenger sides. 30,203 miles. Going through its pre-check, self-check. Lane departure is enabled. All right, we've gone through all it. We have 198 miles to empty and starting up. All right, take a look through our gauges, vehicle gauge, voltmeter, speedometer, engine gauges, no gauges available. Transmission gauges, no gauges available. Axle gauges, no gauges available. And so we give our basic vehicle gauge package enabled. Alerts, there are no alerts on this here truck. Take a look through our trip odometer, 198 to empty, an average of 6.2 miles to the gallon based on 30,000 miles of driving and 1,211 hours. Engine hours, again, 1,211. Sliding to our left, axle load. It does show the axles on the rear weigh in at 6704. Very lightweight, I've seen much higher. And no alarms to work with. This is the advanced learned radar alignment, dynamic alignment, and the choice of which country we're in, be it Canada and or the United States. Welcome to the United States. Our VIN number on this tractor is ending in MN259096. It is an LT625 6x4 day cab. We're looking at a GVWR of 52,350 with the front and rear tires at a 12,350 and two 20,000 pound rear axle ratings. So again, this is Mike Olden with Lee Smith. You can reach me at 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. Look forward to making this your truck. Go make it a great day.